Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again.
It's rewind time.
Hut! You got it. I thought you.
Ben 10, hut!
Hut! Ben 10, hut! Hut! Ben 10, hut!
Hut!
Great. Rest.
Whoa.
Why did you join marching band?
Well, the upperclassmen, they talked a lot about how awesome it was, and then they convinced me to join.
Chris said he was gonna join, so I joined.
I joined like by accident. Like freshman year.
Our answers are so lame.
My band director emailed me and he was like, "You have to come pick up something." And I was like, "Oh, okay." And I showed up and it was marching band practice.
Like in 7th grade, I saw the marching band playing stand tunes, and I was like, wow, that's so cool. Like, band's really cool, and I kept working at it, and then I was like, whoa, I really want to join now, like when we did the 8th grade night. And then, yeah, I kind of just joined, and I was like, wow, this is cool. It's still pretty cool.
I joined marching band because I just thought that it was like a really cool thing to do, and it just, I mean, all my friends were doing it, so I said, why not? I mean, it seems like it's a fun thing to do, so I joined it, and I'm happy I did.
Marching band because I saw it in 8th grade and I thought it was really cool. And so then I joined and I was really nervous, but then I just really digged it and then did it the rest of my 4 years.
Okay, I joined because my old school forced everyone in band to do marching band.
Are you happy you joined?
Yeah. Even though my freshman year I didn't march because, girl had a concussion. Sophomore year I marched even though girl had an ankle problem. junior year, kind of marched, because girl had a back problem. So, here we are now.
5, 6, 7, 8. Step. Beautiful.
Just have this. It's fine. Oh, I can't even see anything.
Don't let the intervals open up, guys.
You're a section leader!
Hi. Hey.
Oh yeah!
I
can't.
Nick, no. Let me open it.
I miss you so much.
Get me in there. Get me in there. Go home. Not here.
Don't see my ugly face.
Smile. Smile for the video. Everyone smile. Smile. It's got night vision, don't worry.
Oh, we got interview.
Short fight song. 1, 2, ready, and.
We have Virginia.
Virginia!
Say hi to the camera.
Alright, keep going. 1, 2, ready, and stop. Smile for the cam. Any important messages you guys have to say?
I caught it.
Hi, Rachel. Jacob, he's kind of cute. Maya. Rashad.
This is the second worst thing to ever happen.
Laws of morality.
That's what it looks like.
What was your favorite marching band memory?
Probably the state competition because we did so terrible, but then we went into the finals like wanting to do better, so we did a lot better, and I think that was the best run throughout the entire season.
My favorite marching band memory was probably after Liberty when we got what place was it? Fourth, third, whatever that was. That was the first and last time I got to do awards down on the field. Yeah, that was a good memory.
My favorite marching band memory, I don't know, but every time we find out like if we place high or something, and like everyone's like super excited and there's like a lot of like suspense. Everyone's like, ooh. And then when everyone finds out, they're like, ah. Yeah.
The final competition, because I remember the first time we performed, we were like, that was trash, that was garbage. Everyone was all depressed, because I was depressed too. I was like, didn't hit the line right. Company front was garbage. And then the second time we did it.
My favorite memory from marching band is when we were standing down at the awards for Liberty, and we all thought we weren't gonna get into finals, but we did get into finals.
Cool.
Yeah.
What about you, Jackson?
My favorite memory. Okay, I need to think about this. Okay, so you can have.
What's your favorite memory, Jackson?
My favorite memory.
Wait, our favorite memory?
Yeah.
Oh, karaoke night during DCI night, or like the karaoke room.
Yeah.
Wait, is this filming? Or?
Yeah.
Oh, hello. I didn't know.
For me, it would be going to MetLife freshman year. It was like a really big deal to me, especially as a freshman, playing and performing in the stadium that big. So.
Can't relate.
Oh. The one competition that I actually marched in.
The competition that we did pretty good on. That's a first, I guess.
If you were stuck on a deserted island and could only take one section besides your own, who would it be?
I would probably take the low brass because the trombones can be used as weapons.
It's really interesting.
Could I trust them? Debatable. But we have Mel wants to take care of that. That's right.
No, but I think I would choose like percussion probably.
There's
The drum line. I bring the drum line.
I'll bring the saxophones.
And there's more of them, so you can find for better than like 2 saxophones.
There's like 7. Okay, say it on the count of 3. I know what.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Trumpet.
Clarinets.
What phrase stuck with you the most during the season?
My favorite phrase is probably whenever Mr. Phillip was like, oh yeah, when I was in high school, my drum major fell off the podium and I didn't even realize.
Stay at set.
God.
Take it back one step.
Look at me, I know it hurts.
Is it company front or a company front?
So, Chloe kept saying it was a company front, and I kept hearing a company front. But then I read the actual website of what our show was supposed to be, and it said company, and I had a revelation. So it's company front. Don't mix that up, folks.
Company front. Don't let anyone tell you differently.
It's company front!
Company, no A, it's company.
There's no
company.
A.
Company.
Company.
Was that not the same thing?
Me too.
It's company.
Yeah.
Everyone said a company, but it's company.
Oh, you said a company?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't. Yeah, no, it's company front. Yeah.
It's company front.
A company front. I mean, that's how it always sounded for me in the
let's
back.
do a company front. It's company front.
Oh my, don't even get me started. Alright. Now look at it like this way, okay? You have company front, and you have a company front, right? Now, think of it like this. Now, would you say we are going to do the company front, or would you say we're going to do the company front? Now, I think saying the company front is a lot more better. I think you sound more intelligent when you say it that way, and you think of it like this, and a company is when someone's joining you, which I guess kind of makes sense, but a company is what you would call a group, like an assembly of people. Now, if a company does a front, and we're all moving forward, that makes it a company. Also, again, let me reiterate, saying the company front sounds weirder than saying the company front. I rest my case.